Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Check them out. This is LG Smart Microwave Countertop Smart Inverter 2.0 cubic feet, 1200 watts. Really nice. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Hopefully everyone's safe. Definitely check this guys out. LG, I'll show you in a second. In the manual, you can see where it shows step by step how to set up the timer, child lock, weight conversion, and also over here is a power level, pH, P90. It tells you what it does. Reheating sandwiches, cooking eggs and milk and cheese, all that good stuff right there. Just take a minute to look over the manual, and it shows the sensor cooking mode, cooking a potato, stop, clear, and there's bacon, so a bunch of goodies. Tells you how to do it. I'll show you where I put it right now. Hopefully this looks alright. Let me hit the switch. I don't know if that made a big difference. Here we go. Looking good. Here's the timer. Here's that. Fits perfect where I need it, so. And it works amazing. Look at that big light. Excellent lighting there. Top there. You can see it. Nice size plate. It definitely probably fit a turkey. Here's the door. Edges look good. And over here they tell also the sensor cook SC1. See right there, SC. Press 1, 2. Got nothing cooking today. I already ate, but it shows defrost. Defrost 1 is meat. So you hit the defrost right there and press 1. So if you're throwing your meat in there. And then sensor heat for pizza. Same thing. Sensor cook or sensor reheat number 5, so they will reheat the pizza at normal temperature. Okay, then sensor cook is 1 for bacon, fresh vegetables, frozen entrees, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, oatmeal, 6 is potatoes, and 7 is rice. So like I said, it all tells right here. This is really cool. Look how bright the light is though. Really nice. So there you go guys. Definitely check them out. LG. Like I said, it's on Best Buy. I'll leave my affiliate link down below. And click on that. Get the warranty. You're all good. Have a good night.